Mike was tired of feeling frustrated at work. He was spending hours trying to create charts and perform basic calculations in Excel, but he just couldn't seem to get it right. He felt like he was always one step behind his colleague, Sarah, who was quick, efficient, and productive. One day, Mike decided to take control of his career. He learned about keySkillset from Sarah. It was a platform that teaches Excel shortcuts and formulas in a simulation-based environment. Mike practiced the shortcuts and formulas at his own pace, building his muscle memory through repetition. The results were amazing. Mike's productivity at work skyrocketed and he finally felt appreciated. He had a better work-life balance and was proud of his newfound skills. If you're tired of feeling frustrated with Excel like Mike was, keySkillset can help. With its simulation-based environment, you'll have the flexibility to learn at your own pace and build your skills from the ground up. So why wait? Join keySkillset today and take control of your career.